Now that we have done the speech-to-text transcript, we are ready to edit this video to the audio. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and change the workspace to editing. So I'll choose the Luisa editing workspace that we chose before. And there you go. I'm going to collapse the audio. And now I'm going to create a couple of bins here to separate my audios from everything else. I'll have an audio bin, and I'm going to drag these clips to that. I'm also going to have a sequence bin. And I'm going to drag my sequence to that. I'm going to create another bin yet for my video clips. And now I'm going to import those video clips directly from the media browser. So from here, I'm going to select the P2 media. And I'm just going to select all of these clips and I'm going to drag them directly to the video bin. Control or Command A selects everybody, and now I'm just going to drag them here and release. And Premiere is going to import all of them. Now I have my clips and I have my audio file. I'm going to start putting this roughly together.
Come enjoy a weekend getaway at Rancho Playa.
The first thing is like a statement that just says, come and enjoy a weekend getaway at Rancho Playa. I think this is a great place to have a title, so let's go ahead and have a title. I'm not going to be too particular about how the title looks. This is more a placeholder than anything else. Control or Command T to create a title. I'm just going to call it First. And I just want to reinforce whatever the voice is saying, so come to Rancho Playa is the only thing that is going to say. I'll put the exclamation mark, and I'm also going to change the font to something a little bit better. Maybe an Arial. And I'll leave it at that for now. Maybe I'll just center it. Yeah, now we can close it and drag it to the timeline.
Come enjoy a weekend getaway at Rancho Playa, where you can enjoy our pristine beaches.
Where you can enjoy our pristine beaches is what the voice says next. So we can go to swimming, and we can add this to the timeline. Let's go ahead and add it without any kind of sound. So I'm going to go ahead and deselect the sound. And we can just go ahead and use the automation. Let me select an endpoint here.
Rancho Playa, where you can enjoy our pristine beaches.
And I'll put an outpoint there. And I think I'm just going to do an overlay. And there it is.
Come enjoy a weekend getaway at Rancho Playa, where you can enjoy our pristine beaches, as well as all of our other amenities, including swimming.
So, as well as all of our other amenities.
Beaches, as well as all of our other amenities, including.
So I placed an in and out point here in the sequence so that I can add my video to that. So all of our other amenities, so maybe a pirate ship in there would be a good thing. Let me go ahead and have a nice endpoint. And I'm going to do an overlay in here as well. There you go.
Rancho Playa, where you can enjoy our pristine beaches, as well as all of our other amenities, including swimming, walking. Amenities including swimming, walk.
So including swimming, and I can have a swimming in here, and I actually used it. I used a swimming clip in here. So maybe I want to replace that clip for another clip. And I'll take this particular clip and I'm going to replace it. All I have to do is drag it to a selected clip in the timeline while pressing the Alt or Option key. And it's going to replace it. And there you go.
Rancho Playa, where you can enjoy our pristine beaches, as well as all of our other amenities, including swim.
Now I can go to the swimming clip. I can do an overlay. There you go. I'll select one endpoint right there. I'll select an endpoint right there in the timeline.
Parasailing. For other amenities including swimming, walking.
Walking now. So I'll select it from here, maybe an endpoint here and an overlay. And an endpoint right there. Parasailing. I have a clip for that. And an overlay. And another endpoint right there.
Pirate ships.
I have a pirate ship, which I used before, but it's okay. I'm going to replace it for her and something else in just a little bit. And you can see how I'm creating a rough draft of this video by just using the audio cues for this. Remember, I can also go to the metadata panel and see what the voiceover is saying directly in writing, because this speech analysis is already being done. So I can edit either by listening to it or by clicking in whatever word I want to and do it like that. So as an exercise, why don't you go ahead and edit this, and when you're done, see how it compares to the one that I am including in the project files. This is going to be a completed project, and you can just see how I finished editing it with text and everything, and just compare the two and have fun.